Yo, what's cracking? What's cracking? All right, let's get to it, man. We got 10 minutes till the market opens. I've got a few levels here that I want to point out. As of right now, we're currently downtrending. Okay, beautiful downtrend. Had the market opened up already, I would have capitalized here, somewhere in here too. Just a lot of actually no first first entry would have been here, first entry, but that doesn't matter. Anyways, yeah, so we're downtrending. Um, Overnight, we rejected 42.20 pretty aggressively. You can see the volume on that. Then we have this level here. Actually, I forgot to mark down this level as well. Just a low day there. We're finding a little bit of support here. And then down here, this 41.75 would be a good target if we can continue to downtrend. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now. We're currently downtrending, so I am a little biased to the downside. Not until we can break this structure here will I be interested in longing. You're looking for that gap up, okay? Just like yesterday, right? History tends to repeat itself, so maybe we can see that today. Are you charting? Are you charting SPY or are you charting ES? Yeah, well, momentum's clearly down here. EMAs show us that, VWAP show us that. Um, and then one of the things that I talked about yesterday, this was on Instagram. I posted a reel and I said there's three things we really have to look at before the market opens. First one is the trend. Okay, we like I showed you, we're making lower lows. And then second one is momentum. The EMAs give you a very easy visual there. And then lastly are the candles, the prior candles or the candles leading up to market opened. And I like to look at the high time frame candles as well as the low time frame candles, but the high time frame candles really paint a story for you. Like here, very strong directional candle, another pretty strong candle here. If I were to go to the 10-minute, which is another one of my time frames that I like to look at, just very strong selling pressure to the downside. And again, we can see those lower lows being put. Oh, okay. Yeah, I just wanted to see what you were charting. But if anyone charts SPY, I would highly encourage you to switch over to the ES, because that kind of shows you what happened overnight. And I mean, it really gives you all the information that you need to trade SPY, SPX. But yeah, I'm just trading based off ES, but I do trade SPY options. So we got 5 minutes till the market opens. Again, we're just gauging here. Okay, strong rejection here. This is a key level. Strong rejection. But I don't see strong buying. Right? I would have expected some pretty strong buying as we hit this level. The rejection is the first signal, but the second signal that really confirms a reversal is, some continuation, and I just don't see it here with buyers. And then once we place in lower lows, then that just means buyers aren't strong enough to hold that level. So we'll see how this plays out. As of right now, I'm going to react to what price kind of gives us. I do have some levels of interest here. Let me dial down to these lower time frames. So the 1 minute, the 2 minute, that's what I'm using to find my entries. So I like this zone here. Now this big box here, this is a 30 minute, or no, I'm sorry, this is a 1 hour. This is a 1 hour supply, right? But I dialed it down and I saw exactly where sellers took control, and that's in this point right here. And as you can tell, we came down, we broke past it aggressively, and then we retested. And then same thing here. This was another area where sellers took control. So buyers stepped in, and then sellers then stepped in with increasing volume, and we broke past this zone, and then we saw that immediate retest there, right? So that was another entry there. Now the one thing that I don't want to go in short as we hit 195, because if we get up all the way to 195, that just tells me buyers are strong, which could potentially break past this zone. So I want to gauge how strong buyers are. But if they're not strong enough, we could potentially just see a little pullback here, and then go down once again. And then maybe we can break past an opposing zone like we did here and here. So we're just going to wait until the market develops a little more. 3 minutes till the market opens, and yeah, we'll see then. That's kind of what I'm looking for. And if we do break past these levels here, then buyers of course would be strong, and I'd want to see if I can take this long. I don't know if any of you saw my story, but apparently, if we go to yesterday, so apparently right around this time here, no, that was, I'm tripping. Oh, okay, so let me go to the 5 minute real quick. This is pretty crazy. So right around this time, right at like around 6:40, apparently there was an image released by an AI generated image where it showed the Pentagon being like, like there was an explosion that occurred, and that's what caused this downtrend, or this move to the downside. And then it went back up when it was confirmed that it was fake. So that's kind of scary. I mean, it's just another reason why you should have a stop loss and why you should be adjusting your stop loss, right? Because if news like that comes out, that this original position that you may have been in, it's going to start to go against you real fast. I thought it was just crazy, and it just kind of gives you a good hint on where we're heading. So just be mindful. We live in a very weird time right now. All right. Market should be opening anytime now. Yeah, I did see the flexible grid. I appreciate you sending that, dude. I'm really considering switching over to TOS. I use TOS, I just don't trade on TOS. I use Tastyworks. which is a really good platform that I like to use. But I didn't realize how cheap the contracts were over at TOS. So I got some thinking to do. All right, let's get this thing going. All right, so we already inputted a lower low. Do I want to short? No, I not yet, not yet. I think 187 here. 188 up to, or 187 up to like 189. Let's see if this holds here. All right, I'm not getting in just yet. I'm just gauging the market, seeing what happens. So we're putting right now. Price is putting a lot of shorts underwater, right? A lot of people were shorting as the market opened, and now we're seeing this aggressive push, which means those shorts have to buy to cover, which could potentially fuel, a massive uptrend. And we also put a double bottom here. That's probably one of my favorite chart patterns, or that's probably the only chart pattern that I really use, are double bottoms, double tops. Those are the only ones that I've seen that actually work. People over here talking about flags and whatever, stars, dinosaurs. I don't know. It's too much. Just okay. Buyers are pretty strong here. Buyers are pretty strong right here. If we get down to 190, I'm gonna go in for calls. All right, I'm in. I need, my stop loss is at 41.88. I like buyers right here. Let's see if this holds. I spotted this in the 1 minute. Let's see if this can hold. Stop loss is very tight. If 41.88 doesn't hold, then I'm quickly getting out. But I like that we're above VWAP here. And we did see some pretty strong aggression from buyers. Come on, you gotta hold, baby. You gotta hold. $41.88's holding. We just tested and we quickly go back up. Let's hope this baby can hold. Come on now. Stop playing with me. I'm going to have to respect my stop loss here. Once we get below it, I'm going to have to get out. Sellers are trying very hard to bring price down, but they can't get it any lower than 41.88. All right, we're below it now. I'm gonna give it just a little bit of buffer here. Fingers on the trigger. I'm only risking 2 points here, you guys. If you can't risk 2 points, then I don't know what to tell you. But don't go in just because I'm going in. I want you guys to have your own plan. I haven't gone out just yet because I think this may be a... Alright, I'm getting out now. Alright. I had to respect my stop loss right there. I was giving it just a little buffer because that 41.88 was holding so well. But once we got down to 41.87, I had to get out. Man, I like how buyers are holding up. I might look to get in again. Buyers are doing a really good job of holding up price there. And I like the confluences that we have. Really strong rejection here at 41.85. Heavy buying. I mean, that first candle after market open was pretty aggressive. An aggressive candle from buyers. There they are. I don't have an entry just yet. I'm gonna wait to see if the market can present entry for us. Man, buyers didn't step in when I wanted them to. But now it looks like they're stepping in a little bit. I'm looking at this 41.90 level again. It's looking pretty good. Let's see. That 41.90 level is looking pretty good. Damn. Okay, let's see. All right, I'm going to hop back in one more time. Let's give this another stab here. 41.90, hopping in for calls. My stop loss is once again at 41.88. And I'm going to target 4,200. I can't take two L's back to back. Come on now. I need this level right here to hold. That's the level I'm looking at right there. 41, 41.90. I'm just rounding to like 41. I'm going to call it 88. So risking 2 points here. And I like that we're being supported by VWAP every time we test it. We just need to see buyers step in aggressively. Come on, baby. There it is. Oh, ooh. There's PMI right now. There's a flash sell. Let's hope this thing can hold. I already like the reaction so far, but this could fuel that little rally we were waiting for. Come on, get up there. There you go. Once we make a higher high here, I think we'll be good. Just break that. There you go. Break past it. Get up there. Let's see if we can get up to 4,200 here. Come on, baby. Get up there. Just listen to my words of encouragement. Just get up there. We don't want to see you fall. Come on. There's only two ways you can go. You can go up or down. So I say we go up. There's a freaking huge seller here at 41.94. Freaking pussy. He just tried to fake us out. That's what it was. See, that's why I don't pay too much attention to those levels, because I mean, you saw that big seller right there at 41.94, and as price got close to it, he just backed out. I want to see how 41.95 reacts here, because I know this was respected as we were downtrending. This was definitely respected. I'm gonna trend. I'm gonna let this thing ride. I feel like just let this thing ride. I want to secure profits, but well, actually, I'm not even. Let me check real quick. I'm not even at profits. These freaking options, dude. Like once they go against you, they really go against you. So that first play, I took an L of like $70, and right now I'm just about breaking. I need to start trading futures, honestly. I'm really not a big fan of options. All right, it's looking pretty good. Let's see if let's get to 4,200. 4,200. Come on, just get up there. Just shoot up there. Ooh, we hit that. Come on. Man, that fucking level right there. I knew I should have fucking got out. Sorry for my cussing. That was one of the levels that I drew, and it was respected by the downtrend. So, and we're rejecting it perfectly right now. Damn. Okay. I don't want to see price get below. I'm gonna just let this thing rock. Honestly, I'm gonna just. I, it's a pretty big downtrend. I'm gonna just let this thing ride. I'm still in full size. Yeah, we gotta get a funded account, dude. That's what I'm thinking of doing. This is just like a monthly subscription service, and you get access to $100,000 account. So with that money, you can trade as much as many future contracts as you'd like. Sellers are putting up a fight. I believe in buyers though. I'm going for it. I'm gonna just stick through it. I'm going for the I'm going for the fences. Let's just Just get up there. Come on. I just hate how, I got in at 41.90, right around that level. I mean, we're only up like around 5 points, but I'm still down. I'm still down. I'm still negative on my P&L, and that just kind of summarizes options for you. It just kind of skews your risk to reward because we have all these other variables that we have to consider. Let's get above 41.96. If we can do that, I think we're gonna test those 4200s. Come on, baby, get up there. Don't be shy. Come on, get up there. She's being shy right now. I don't know why. Let's see. I'm gonna stick with it. Whatever happens, happens. I want 4200 to hit. God damn it. Look at that. Let's I just need 4190 to hold. I'm not gonna get out. I'm gonna just stick through it. Come on, get up there. Well, I like that we haven't made lower lows. We just had this huge sweep here, but we haven't made lower lows yet, so that's a pretty good sign. There it goes, baby. Has it been tested? Nope, not yet. I'm going for 4200. But man, that 4198, that level that I have drawn, it's acting being pretty tough. Come on. Ah, man. I don't I don't like that. Damn, I don't like that. That went up really fast. Even if I wanted to get out at 41.98, that was super fast. I'm only asking for 2 more points. Just get up to 4,200 and we'll all be happy. Come on. Very strong rejection here at 41.98. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, we haven't really gone anywhere. We have a great entry. This kind of stresses me out too. The fact that I know my option contract is losing value right now as time goes by. Like that's what kind of stresses me out. I feel like if I'd be more at ease if I knew I was trading futures. Like I have nothing else to worry about. I'm gonna look into it today. I'm gonna look into it today. See, I know we have to pass the test first to get qualified. That shouldn't be a problem. All right, so we're currently in a position. We've been in this since 6:45. So we're now going. We're now about to make 20 minutes being in this position. I want to. I want price to reach 4,200. If we reach 4,200, I'm gonna trim a majority of my position, and then I'm gonna let some runners go up to 42.10, 42.10, 42.08. That's another key area there. Right now, this zone here from 41.98 up to, or 41.97 up to 41.98 pretty is acting as tough resistance. So we need this to break, and I think we'll be testing 4,200. But right now this isn't looking good. I mean, sellers aren't backing down. God damn. I'm gonna just stick with it. Let's see if we can get rewarded here. I need 41.90 to hold. I just need this level to hold. See, I'm up on this position, but I'm already down more than what I first lost. So I lost like 78 bucks. Now I'm down 84, even though I'm green on this position, or I'm up on this position. You can tell I'm getting tired of options. Yeah, I wanna go back to trading futures. Pretty strong rejection here at 41.90, 41.91. Pretty strong rejection there. Come on, man. I feel like this is going to be a slow grind. A very slow grind to 4,200. I hope I'm wrong, but god damn, this is taking a while. Come on, let's get up there. I mean, price clearly doesn't want to go down. It's holding up very well. So buyers, I still believe they're in control. And as long as we can stay above that 41.91, 41.90 level, I think we're good. Once we really get below this VWAP, once we get below that, then I'm concerned. I'm gonna look to get out. This All right, I think we'll be able to break it this time. Let's go. Come on. You got to get up there first. And theoretically, price is price likes these passive orders. It naturally they act as magnets. Think of it that way, right? So not something you should trade based off of alone, but it's good to know. Like when you have these big blocks, price typically likes to lean towards that. Have to admit, this is very tough to sit through. This is very tough to sit through. To know that my position is just being depreciated with every second that goes by. I mean, there's buyers. There's just no continuation. No continuation. You're sitting through it. I'm glad I'm not alone, dude. Man, this is getting really frustrating. I'm down on this position when I got in at 41.90. Ugh. Ugh. Come on, man. This 41, this VWAP just has to hold, and it's been holding. It's doing a great job. You know what I'm gonna do since this thing I know is gonna take a while? I'm gonna just start looking into funded accounts. Um, okay, Top Step. I've heard of that one before. This one. Oh, that's not bad. What's going on with this, bruh? The moment I leave, you start to, God damn, I'm down bad on this position. Wow, I'm out, dude. Wow, I'm down bad. 230. 2 fucking 30. Wow. That's ridiculous, bro. Oh shit, I didn't get out of my position completely. Fucking A, bro. 230, bro. Oh my goodness. Alright, this is amazing right here. We got with Top Step, they for $165 a month, you get $50,000 to trade with. You can trade max position is 5 contracts, daily loss limit is $1,000. We won't go below that. And trailing max drawdown. Dude, I'm gonna look into this. I'm totally gonna look into this. I'm tired of trading options. And $165 a month may be steep, but if we're making money with a $50,000 account, I really think 165 won't be nothing. Look at this, dude. What the hell is up with? Don't. The last thing that I want to see is us trading in a sideways range, and that's what it's looking like right now. We've just been trading in a sideways trend. It seems like all the good moves happen overnight. Yesterday we were in a sideways range. The day before that, which was on Friday, we were kind of like in a sideways range. We've had a lot of days where we're just trading sideways. Kind of sucks to see, to be honest. Yeah, Top Step, dude. I think we might have to migrate over there, dude. I just know you have to take a test. Become a funded futures trader. Show that you can profit. Cool. Get funded and keep your first $5,000 in profits plus 90% of profits beyond that. That would be pretty nice. I mean, this is almost like because once you get enough capital, you don't need a funded account, right? So this could be our entry. Dude, I'm signing up right now. That fucking $200 loss got me heated right now. My premiums just got crushed. Completely crushed. Hate seeing that shit. But you know what you, I mean, we know the risk. It's not like I didn't know. It's just kind of annoying. And that's why, I mean, you really have to trim. You really, as it starts to go in your direction, you really just have to trim and then let some free runners, because then your premiums just get absolute crushed. So like once we hit 41.98, maybe I should have trimmed. Honestly, looking back at it, I should have just trimmed because I don't have the luxury of just sitting and holding on to a position. Unfortunately, I don't. Yeah, we're signing up, dude. I'm signing up. This is the one I hear about a lot. So I'm gonna just go with this one, and $165. I think last time I saw another one and it was like 500 bucks a month. So 165, that's not bad. Before you do that, if you're gonna actually, if you're serious about doing that, I know there's a YouTuber who also goes live. I think he offers like a promo code. I just forget his name. I think it's Patrick Wyland or something like that. YouTube. Dude, I feel like with futures, I would make a killing. I risk so little. How'd you do that? Hold up, hold up. How'd you do that? You said you got 40% off. You gotta show me how to do that.
In this video, I'm going to...
Oh, so you already signed up. You're way ahead of me. Okay, so um okay, so I see if you got if you got 40%, that's way better than what this guy's offering, which is 40%. I mean, this guy's offering 20%. My guy, you already signed up. That's what's up, dude. That's what's up. We're gonna make a killing. I just know you have to take a test. So oh yeah, I got the same thing, dude. Um start. It, I noticed I got 40% off too. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Actually, before I even sign up, 115, that's not bad. But before I sign up, I do want to look at some YouTube videos. I think that would be wise, right? If we look at some YouTube videos on what to expect, because I want to pass this thing first time around. Because I know if you don't pass it, you're still subject to pay. So yeah, I'm gonna have to look into it and see. Mm. All right. Well, despite the loss, I'm pretty excited. We're going with Top Step, and hopefully we get some funding. I wonder how long it would take, but dude, I'm gonna have to look into this. Shit, once we start trading futures again, oh, you got me excited, Cam. You got me excited. We're gonna kill it, dude. We're gonna kill it. I know we are. And I've been juggling the idea for quite some time now. I didn't really have the courage to really go with it. So now I feel like today has been productive. That alone, I feel like that's okay. It looks like 5 days. I'm gonna look into it right after this live stream. But I mean, market just opened, dude. If we can find another opportunity here, that way I can cut some of my losses. Cause goddamn, 228. I haven't lost like that in a minute. Actually, no. Last week I did. I did take an L. I don't know if it was $200 though. Yeah. I'm honestly not liking the action right now. It seems like we're just stuck in a range from starting at 41.86 up to 41.97. I'm not a big fan. Not a big fan of what's happening right now. Ooh, baby, we're gonna trade futures. These fucking earphones suck. I see you're doing a research, Cam. Trade a minimum of 5 days. Reach and maintain $3,000 profit target. Only trade permitted products during the permitted times. Do not trade more than 5 contracts at one time. Do not allow your account balance to go below 48,000. Okay. I mean, so we don't have to trade, 5 contracts, right? That sounds super easy. Yeah, there's no way we're gonna lose 2,000 in a 5 day period. There's no way. Cool. Well, I'm excited, dude. I'm super excited. Not not much to point out here, and I wish there was more, but dude, it just looks like we're trading sideways. I mean, what the hell? Once again, we got in earlier today, placed some calls, and I was really looking for that 4,200 to hit. Didn't work out. It is what it is. We're down bad right now, but one of the biggest problems is just continuation. There's no continuation today, so I'm not looking to place any trades until we can see some volatility. And in the meantime, I'm gonna look into Top Step. I see a lot of good reviews, and I want to trade futures. So we gotta shoot for $3,000. All right, I'm not endorsing Top Step, but I am looking into it. Okay, so $3,000. We have to reach $3,000 as the number one step to get funded. once again, there's not much worth pointing out. There isn't. We're in a sideways range. I'm not looking to trade this. I've already taken two trades, both L's. I'm not looking to trade this. I'm looking at a short right now, or I'm looking to place puts. I mean, it just seems like we're in a sideways range, and right now we broke past significant zone. Well, I guess it's significant enough considering the conditions here. Little zone here. Right, buyers stepped in aggressively. We then had a strong push down, but we already rejected. So I noticed this a little late. I'm over here trying to do two things at once. But we could potentially see lower lows here. I'm gonna just watch. And I'll update you if I do see something. But I'm not interested. I'm not really interested in trading this. We're gonna test that 195, 40, 195. 195's holding. What the fuck is my phone doing? Yep, pretty strong rejection there at 195. Let's see if price can go any lower. Dude, that's what I'm doing. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm looking at Top Step right now. I'm looking at some reviews here. I want to see what I'm getting myself into, but it looks pretty promising. It looks like I'm gonna sign up by the end of today. Right now, and honestly, this is something that I've been juggling with. Honestly, right now with the current volatility, it's not a good time. Are you in your account? No, I'm not in the account. I'm just going through yeah, that's what I noticed too. I'm gonna have to switch over to another trading platform, which is totally fine. I see. I've heard really good things about Ninja Trader, Tradeovate. Recently they had some. I don't know. Apparently, like it wasn't working, so I'm kind of leaning towards Ninja Trader right now. I've heard some really good things, and it's 53 cents per contract, which is a lot less than what Tradeovate is offering. But it's just, oh, there it is. That would have been a nice little trade. Boom. 195. We'll probably test these lows here at 186, 186. Dude, once we start trading futures, oh my goodness, with the risk that I'm taking, like, okay, this play here, right? This play here was, let's call it 2 points. It's normally 2 points, right? I'm gonna round to 41.95 up to 41.97. 2 points there, right? If we're trading futures and we're making literally like that's a 4 to 1. That's or a 1 to 4, right? Like that's and it's legit a 1 to 4 when you're trading futures, unlike options, right? Your risk to reward gets skewed when you're trading options because, as we know, it depreciates. But yeah, dude, I'm looking forward to trading futures. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I told you, but I started off trading futures, the Russell 2000, and I loved it. I mean, I loved it. And the reason I was trading Russell 2000 was because the margin requirement was a lot less, so I was able to trade with the account size that I had at the time. I was able to trade 1 to 2 contracts and make some money off of it. But that was in my earlier days. I was still kind of getting the hang of it, and I was losing some money, but I was so much more at ease when trading futures than I am now trading options. Because options, I'm looking for that fast move, like let's get up there, and honestly, it really does stress you out as a trader. But yeah, I'm gonna have to switch over to these to this Ninja Trader. Um, God damn. What the fuck? Hold up. Pause. This motherfucker, Patrick Wyland, okay, I'm watching this video of him and it's a summarized video. But he traded 94 contracts in one day, racking up $173 in commissions. That's fucking crazy. God damn. How do you how do you get up so high, dude? I mean, you have to be placing trades one after the other. That's hilarious. I've never heard that. And no, it wasn't just one trade. It was like back-to-back trades. I think he's trading 2 contracts at a time. So how many trades is he taking in a day? Wow, he took 33 trades. He took 33. He took 33 trades. What the fuck? Oh my goodness. I think Patrick is more of a, like, he's legit a scalper. I'm only a scalper if I have to be a scalper. Like, if I see price isn't going in my direction, I start to get out. But this guy's like legit a scalper where like it goes in his direction and then he gets out right away. I feel like there's not there's not much. Have a blessed day. Hey, you too, brother. Oh, okay. So you've been following up with yeah. I haven't. I've only seen maybe one of his videos, but I could just imagine what he's doing. If he's taking that many trades, like he must be scalping. All right, dude. I'm gonna let you go. I'm probably gonna get out of here too. Not a good day. It is what it is. So we'll be back at it tomorrow. Peace. Yeah, he's only in the trades for like 30 seconds. 30 seconds, 10 seconds. Oh wow. I didn't know he traded like that. I'm not a big fan. I'm not a big fan of that style. I like to catch, dude, I want to catch like a 20-point move, 15-point move. That's what I'm about.